What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're taking a look at the brand new Skywave lineup from ULTIMEA, and this is the Skywave X40, a 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos Soundbar system. 6.5 inch sub, total output of the system 530 watts. You can see some gold details there. I do like all these effects, rear speakers there, ULTIMEA logo. Of course, we're going to need to put the soundbar together. This is the centerpiece and these are the other two. Let's try to make this video as short as possible. I just want to show you everything in detail, guys. You can see some booklets here, all the cables, remote control. So you got all the bits and bobs. Put the soundbar on the wall, power plugs, one HDMI cable, optical cable. We got our brand new remote control. So we got the firing up speakers, some touch buttons here at the top, ULTIMEA logo there. This side the same thing. And if you look at the back, we can see two HDMIs. So this soundbar supports 4K pass-through, one optical port, one USB, and the power in for the soundbar itself. You can see the mounts to put the soundbar on the wall. Same here on the rear speakers. Quite long. We're gonna put it in the living room to see how it looks like, and boom, just like that, here we are in the living room. We got our rear speakers there, put the sub on the floor, and we got our massive sound bar there. That's a 55-inch TV, so you guys can have like a reference in terms of size. Bear in mind, this X40 is the entry level for this new Skywave series. Here is the app. We're gonna test it in a minute, and guys, yeah, we got these golden accents there on the sound bar itself. Same on the sub, looking pretty good. And worth mentioning, this is not a paid review. ULTIMEA sent me the soundbar for testing. I get to keep it, but all opinions are my own. If something is off, I'll tell you straight away. Okay, so the microphone is pointing that way. Okay guys, so first impressions, the rear speakers on the back sound way more powerful than previous models we tested here on the channel. Currently, in terms of EQ, we got cinema, firing up speakers all the way to the max, and the surround speakers as well, all the way to the max, so it's pretty noticeable.
Why is Dr. Yue here?
He only needs a moment.
Another thing I noticed, of course, the voice is coming from the center, and depending on the title you pick, for example this one, Dolby Atmos there, as you can see, you'll see the sound bar will pick it up there. So it detects the source of the signal as Dolby Atmos.
Can you help us?
I can keep this light running smoothly.
No, it's fine too.
And then do your brain.
Let me pause here, guys. So I'm not sure if you could hear on the microphone, but this scene, you can feel the sound coming from the back to the front. Pretty nice, guys. Another feature of the soundbar is the dual 5G wireless audio transmission between the soundbar and the rear speakers. There's basically no delay. I must say the surround system, it's well improved in this model. Okay, we're next to the rear speaker, guys. I'm truly impressed with the sound system, guys. Honestly, so far it's been amazing.
Are you up for some more lessons?
And I think the sound is balanced between voice, surround sounds. Let me now show the difference between the firing up speakers and the surround speakers off and on. So firing up off. They're not super noticeable. And now the rear speakers, they are off. We got 6 levels, -6, all the way to +6. I can hear the dogs on the back speakers, guys. Pretty nice. Off. All the way to max. Yeah guys, the firing up speakers, they are not as strong of course as the back speakers, the surround ones.
What am I doing here?
In terms of mids, I believe this model is spot on. You cannot hear that echo that it's common on some models, a bit echoey. So I haven't touched the mids and so far so good. Bass, amazing. I think the subwoofer has like a dual magnet, I believe, very powerful. It shakes the room. And in terms of highs, guys, no complaints here. They are powerful enough, but not too much. In terms of the app, very straightforward. So we got our model there. You can do this really quick. And we got our predefined EQs there, standard cinema music, voice, game, and night. So if you press night, everything will lower, including the LEDs there on the front. So let's set it to music. In here, you got their sound effects, they call it, so the bass, mid-range, treble. You can adjust your surround speakers there and the firing up speakers as well. There's also another mode where you can customize your 10 EQ band and the style. So you got the bass, rock, classic and pop. So you just need to move this target there and you can definitely feel the difference. Let me put it. Bit more bassy. Hopefully you guys can tell the difference. You also have this zoom mix. You can definitely tell the difference between the modes. But the quality, guys, really good. So let's get closer. Your neighbors won't be very happy with the amount of volume produced from the soundbar and the bass, everything. So before they knock on my door, let's test the decibel meter. Bear in mind, we can go all the way till 100. We have very low settings here, guys. Wow guys, this is truly crazy. Alright, so the sub is back on the table so we can wrap the video. Overall, guys, I think this is a very good unit. These surround speakers are very noticeable in this X40 model. Bass pretty strong as well, and in terms of loudness, guys, in terms of volume, zero complaints. I do like this model. Firing up speakers, I think it will depend on the content you're watching. In terms of design, not too bad as well. I do like, as I mentioned before, these gold accents. Yeah guys, I'm going to leave a link down below so you guys can check the current price. Let me know if you want me to test anything in particular. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, and guys, please consider subscribing to the channel. It does help the channel a lot. Thank you very much. Like always guys, thank you very much for watching, and hope I can see you all in the next one.